Welcome to Science Castle and Rocket Science. Here at our Rocket Science Laboratory today we're going to be doing experiments with light. In your kit today you probably received a box that has a couple of plastic mirrors, a cardboard tube, empty pan, some thin strips of mirror mylar, a big sheet of mirror mylar, a bottle, and a laser pen. And if I put my hand in front of the screen, what color should the shadow of my hand be? And you'll probably say like black. Now we have an amazing variety of colors. There's a purple, a light blue, a yellow, and there's red back in there, and a dark blue in there. There we go. But first, we need a crazy story. There's an old gold mine. It's been abandoned. Many years ago, there was guys that worked in there. There, gold mine. And one of the guys that worked in this gold mine was evil Mr. Fred's great-great-great-great-grandpa. And his ghost now lives down at the very bottom of the gold mine. And he sold a plot of property with a beat-up old house to his enemies, Jack and Jill. On their first night at the house, they went to bed, and about midnight, they heard steps. Somebody was coming up to their front door. Clonk, 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 clonk. And right at noon, you have to make that sunshine land on the ghost. You can't use flashlights. You can't use lasers. It has to be real, genuine sunshine. And Jack and Jill said, "Wow, that's going to be tough." What's that? Now, if you were Jack and Jill and wanted to get sunshine to land on that ghost, and you had some sort of a pet that could help you out, what would you do? Well, you can think about this a little bit, and we'll leave our story to be continued. And after we're done with our experiments, we'll make up an ending to the story. Of stuff. Let's see what happens when we get close with that. Well, the whole laboratory should probably be totally distorted. These plastic pieces. You can lay those on the table. Now it's held steady in there. So as you look around it in the camera, you get reflections off all those interior surfaces. Tilt. And when you look in this side, the light should bounce up from there to there, and then bounce from there out. And now you should be able to see me in there.
Yeah.
As we bounce the light 2 times, and I should be right side up. And if I wink my right eye, it should look like I'm winking my right eye. Good. Alright. Now, if you look at the triangles that you can see in there, they all look alike. Let's try to make them smaller. A little smaller, smaller, smaller. The beam moves around to the bottle. We can point it up from the bottom and see how it gets bounced all over inside. It's working. We'll put some fog in there. Because a laser light only has the red frequency in it. The waves they're like a marching band where everybody's marching perfectly in step with each other. So with a fat beam like this, we can see that smog very easily. As I turn it around, you can see the light changes a little bit. Yeah. So anything with triangles, even if it's just cut in the surface of something, can give you rainbows. I think we're just about ready for the ending of the story. If you have any questions, you can type them in. They might show up before we end.